And here comes the follow-up to the last video. Why are we more than animals? Welcome to this new video. Today we discuss what makes us human and why we are not animals. In the last video we discussed that 99% of our DNA are identical to animals, to chimpanzee. But this 1% makes really the difference. Why does it make the difference? Well, for the first part, it's about our brain functions and how our brain is functioning. We are very, very intelligent compared to animals. We use language, we have a language. We have an enormous problem-solving ability. We are self-aware. We know what we do. And in some cases, we can even sacrifice our own life. We know what it will cost. We have compassion and we have imagination. This all leads to culture, religion, arts, history, politics, etc. So all what we are made up, every painting that we enjoy, every music that we hear, every cultural event we attend is something completely different from any animal living. It's something that really defines us. And that is absolutely only human. Also politics and history is something that other animals don't care about. And they can't actually, because they cannot imagine the past or the future. Then there is another thing in our abilities. We are social and individual at the same time. We can be social to complete a project, to go forward, and we can be individual by sometimes putting us first. So we have the ability for both. And all of this together makes us extremely good in adjusting to different biological niches. That's why the whole planet is being inhabited by now. So these are basically all the things of our brain function that are coming out with it. So it's maybe 90% of why we are humans and not animals. But there's a little bit more to that. There's also different in our long lifespan, for instance, in our sexual behaviors, in that we also differ to all other animals. And those things, those biological differences also matter a lot. So the long life, for instance, means that individuals live longer than they can sexually reproduce, for instance. And this makes sense because we can learn from the old. The old can teach their grandchildren, for instance, and this wisdom is being transferred from generation to generation to make us more successful in living and being, and in keeping culture. So at the end, this all comes down to a little bit brain function that is extremely out of range of any animal, and some biological differences like long life and sex and love, for instance, for relatives, etc. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye.